I'm really excited about today's recipe because I'm going to show you how to put together one of my signature dishes. Salmon meatballs. They are delicious, easy to put together, and incredibly versatile. Let me show you how we get this done. Okay, so we're making salmon meatballs, so let's talk about our salmon. We're using two varieties of salmon for this recipe. The first is wild pink salmon, readily available and really affordable. That's gonna make up the base of our recipe. The other variety is sustainably harvested Atlantic salmon. It's got good fat content and it's gonna really add some flavor and robust texture to this recipe. We're gonna put those into our food processor and mix them up to a relatively smooth paste. Let me show you what that looks like. We're gonna scoop that out, put it into a mixing bowl, and add our other ingredients. It's important that your ingredients be dry because we want this mix to be tight and really firm. Okay, once your ingredients are incorporated, you're gonna give that a stir and let that sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, if not overnight. I prefer overnight. This is because we have not used any extra binders to help make these meatballs. You notice we didn't add any egg or egg white. All the work is going to be done by the salmon and those dry ingredients. Next up, you're gonna start making your meatballs. Give it a scoop. Use your hands if you need to make sure you've got nice solid balls, and then cook them just until they're brown. Once you have all of your meatballs brown, we're gonna take those out and put those into a 375-degree oven for about 15 minutes, just until your meatballs are cooked through. Okay guys, that was really simple and really easy, right? Oh my gosh, you have to try this recipe, especially if you are interested in introducing anybody in your family to seafood. Now I know fish sticks are sort of an easy sort of gateway entree into seafood, but these salmon meatballs are fantastic. Because they're so versatile, you can use them in so many different ways and sneak them into meals without even people knowing it's salmon. I am enjoying my meatballs today in honor of my nephew Ryan. He is my top fan for these meatballs. So what I'm using is a little bit of guava barbecue sauce and just a good old-fashioned delicious meatball. So good, so delicious. You guys make this recipe, give me feedback, let me know what you think.